So let's hope that the fuel level is below here, in case something is left after 8 years. Hello everybody and welcome to day 81 of this car rebuild series on my 2003 Jaguar S-Type 4.2 V8 Sport. As you may have noticed, I missed out on the regular weekly upload last Sunday, so I was now searching for some little task to be attempted today afternoon besides my regular work. Here's where I ended up. That's page 3000 somewhat of the workshop manual, and it's about removing the fuel tank. You won't believe it, but those instructions only consist of 2 pages. Until here it's warnings only, don't smoke, drain the fuel and so on, while the last drawing already covers the reinstallation, so let's go to work. Working underneath the car again after some time feels, let's say, strange. So I was adding a second pair of jack stands just to be safe. The first step is removing the fuel tank filler pipe to fuel tank hose. Must be this one. So let's hope that the fuel level is below here, in case something is left after 8 years. I wasn't successful with the screwdriver. That's a 6mm hex, by the way. Up to step 2, and that's removing the fuel tank heat shield. Obviously this one nut here. The second is already missing. The third also. One up here, there, and finally here on this side. Nut size is 11mm hex. Number 2. Finally the 2 nuts on the rear side. And the final one. Voila. And here it goes. Before I can attempt the support straps, there's one more nasty plug to be undone here. That's similar to the one I was working on for 2 days at the very beginning of the project. Doesn't want to move. And finally, let's undo the mounting straps. That's a 13mm hex bolt on either side. number 1 up to the second one. No corrosion at all on this side. This can be undone by hand. I should now be able to figure out if there's still fuel inside. No, actually I'm not. Obviously there's a valve built in anyway. I tell you folks, it wasn't funny at all. I felt like in a death trap with maybe 40 liters of fuel above me without any chance to escape. Unfortunately this work isn't finished yet. I still have to detach 2 fuel lines which connect the fuel tank to the car. This will be attempted next weekend. If you enjoyed this video, you may want to give it a thumbs up or even subscribe. See you back next time. Goodbye.